What if a place on Earth defied all logic, a place where compasses spin wildly, where ships and planes vanish without a trace, swallowed by the sea and sky? For decades, one stretch of the Atlantic Ocean has haunted our collective imagination. They call it the Devil's Triangle. We know it as the Bermuda Triangle. Welcome to MrModu.com, where we explore the invisible poetry of visible life. Today we journey into the heart of one of the world's greatest mysteries, seeking answers in the eerie silence of the Bermuda Triangle. Stretching across a vast, well-traveled expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle isn't an official, recognized geographic name. You won't find it on any world map. Yet its legend is mapped indelibly in our minds. The term was first coined in 1964, but tales of unexplained occurrences in these waters go back much further. Some say the mystery began with Christopher Columbus, who reported erratic compass readings and a strange light in the sky. But the legend truly took hold in the 20th century, as a series of shocking disappearances captured global attention. March 1918, the USS Cyclops, a colossal U.S. Navy collier ship, larger than a football field and carrying over 300 crew members, set sail from Brazil. It was last heard from near Barbados, and then, silence. No SOS, no wreckage, no survivors. It vanished, as if plucked from the ocean by an unseen hand. Perhaps the most famous case is that of Flight 19, December 5, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for a routine training mission. The weather was clear. The pilots were experienced.
Everything is wrong. Strange. We can't see land. Even the ocean doesn't look as it should.
The lead pilot reported that his compasses were malfunctioning. They were lost. Radio contact faded, and the 5 planes with 14 airmen were never seen or heard from again. In a cruel twist of fate, a search and rescue plane sent to find them, carrying 13 crewmen, also disappeared that same night. When facts are scarce, speculation runs wild. Could the triangle be a portal to another dimension, a hunting ground for extraterrestrials? Some point to the mythical lost city of Atlantis, suggesting that powerful energy crystals on the seafloor are responsible for the electronic failures. However, for every fantastical theory, science offers a more sober explanation. The Bermuda Triangle is one of only 2 places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This phenomenon, known as the agonic line, can confuse navigators who aren't prepared for it. Another popular scientific theory involves massive eruptions of methane gas from the ocean floor. These blowouts could create a frothy, less dense water that would instantly swallow a ship whole, and the flammable gas could ignite in the air, bringing down an aircraft. And then there are the most plausible yet often overlooked factors: nature itself. This region is known for its treacherous weather, with tropical storms and hurricanes forming with terrifying speed. The powerful Gulf Stream current can create sudden and extreme changes in weather. Scientists also speak of rogue waves, colossal walls of water that can reach heights of 100 feet, more than capable of obliterating even the largest vessels without a trace. Furthermore, critics argue that the legend of the Bermuda Triangle is simply a product of sensationalism. The U.S. Coast Guard and other official bodies do not recognize the existence of any unusual hazard in this area. They point out that this is one of the most heavily trafficked regions in the world for both ships and planes. With such high volume, it's statistically inevitable that some accidents will happen. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a paranormal vortex, a zone of unique scientific anomalies, or simply a collection of tragedies amplified by human fascination with the unknown? Perhaps the truth is a combination of many factors. Human error, unpredictable weather, and unique environmental conditions likely account for many of the incidents. Yet, the stories endure. The eerie silence left behind by those who vanished continues to echo, It reminds us that for all our technology and knowledge, our planet still holds deep, dark secrets. And in that mystery, we find the invisible poetry of visible life.